Welcome, Painful Budgeter. I am Payne, and today we're going to do a little shop with me. I haven't done one in a while, and I was going to make me some sourdough bread, so I figured what the heck. And I don't know if I have enough white flour to make some more, so I was going to go and get some wheat flour as well and do it half and half, so I can use up both of them. And some caraway seeds, because I love some caraway seeds and sourdough. It's pretty good. My last couple ones were rosemary, so I need some more water as well, so I don't kill off my sourdough starter when I do it, because I've done that before as well. And some other things I need to go get some more mascara, because I had a mascara, because I had a little mishaps with my counter, and my $60 mascara bottle went. So I'm gonna go get something a little cheaper, and that is in a plastic container instead of a glass one, because yeah, I have no room in my makeup counter for anything really, so I'm just gonna go cheap since I don't have the money for it. And that was a real ouch type of moment. So let's do some shopping and let's go and make some bread as well. I'm gonna try to film my bread making. Hopefully I remember to do it this time. I tried to do it last time and I completely forgot to do it. Alrighty. Okay, let's go over Ultra. Buy some overpriced makeup, which I hardly ever freaking wear, except for when I'm doing videos, and my face is gonna be really close up, and I don't want to see my sunspots of driving for the last 23 years. So, ta-da! Tis. Yay, makeup. Getting some of these, get some of that. A little cheaper, and it's got music in here. So. Got me some blurs, like 15 bucks. I had like $23 to work with. And so it's not the expensive stuff, but it didn't feel too bad. I've tried e.l.f. and it's not bad. But it was like slightly of a wrong color, so I thought I'd try this one this time. See how it does. At least it'll hold me off till like New Year's or so. Then I'll get me something a little better. I need to get something to hold my stuff. I was gonna film in there, but the music was too loud. And so I'll have to, if I put any of the other clips in there, I'll have to like take the sound out, so. But one shop done. So it's got a Home Goods, Old Navy, Fiveness, Eye Doctor, Ultra. My area has a lot of different places around them. Some places I didn't even know we had until I went and did some Uber Eats. I'm like, oh, I didn't know we had that over here. But Stop. Grocery shopping. Alright, let's go to Macys. Local supermarket. Got all my water bottles. They don't need much. Let me just put these in a basket. Aqua bottles, because my water at my house sucks. Today we got pumpkin. I got a bunch of white ones. I hate getting pumpkins without actually doing something with them. I always see them on the front porch and then they just kind of let them rot. But these ones that looks like they have cancer. I love the color of that thing. Some gourds. Like to make a water dipper for like watering some of my plants up instead of like the watering bucket, some of the smaller ones. Probably just be as easy using our watering bucket than a gourd. Went up in price. It was like 34 cents last week, 43 cents. Buy one more of these. Full, all full. It's right next to the prepper area. We've got some dehydrated stuff. I have a dehydrator, I do my own. Reminds me I need to get some veggies and fruit. Got some beans. Got some whole wheat bags of flour. And all the thing, I don't know if you guys have all the prepper area in your store. The store's not complete without a tower of plushies. I remember when we used to, like in the 90s, so you're gonna get rich off by doing these, collecting these things and selling them. Bath bombs. Actually, I wouldn't mind a bath bomb, but I need to clean my bath because my bath is nasty. $6 for one little tiny bomb, $7. That was discounted now. Anyways, let's see. What do we have? I don't have a whole lot of stuff. Lettuce, onions, avocado, wheat, extra protein bread, caraway seeds, purple Arctic grape, pepperoni hot dogs. Alright, let's go get some stuff. I also go through some of the aisles to see if they have any discontinued stuff that they have marked down or that I could use. Within my range, I still have about $50 to spend. The store doesn't do a lot of discounts, at least not that much. Usually if I want discounts, I usually go over to Smith's. They'd be better. Also double check your Fetch apps and Ibotta apps or any type of grocery store app if you have it to see if there's anything you might be shopping for, stuff that can be on sale. To get some points back, cash back. My Fetch app, I have almost $60 in there, which I'm going to use for Thanksgiving, and my Ibotta has about $10. So I keep forgetting to take that one before I go shopping. So I will try to get them linked in my description when I'm done with this 30-day thing. I'm going to redo my description and get put some of that stuff in my description as well once I get a more basic description thing down and all the links and apps and stuff like that I use. I will put that in, but that will probably be the 30-day challenge type of thing when it's done with the 30-day challenge. Right now I'm just kind of doing random talking head type of thing. So many of these people in here. Alright, let's get going. Thank God for neighbors with chickens. Because prices aren't as bad so far. But if the thing kills off a lot of the birds, they could be going back up here soon. If the Americans would stop stuffing all their freaking birds in one big thing and overstuffing them so they're pretty much having to stand on each other, they probably wouldn't get wiped out every time one of them gets a sniffle. And then it goes through the whole flock and kills all of them. So always check their thingies. They just order too many, or are these from last year and they gotta clear them out before it's next year? I don't know. Those are pretty good though. And clearance items. Let's see what we got. We have cherry blossom. Price on that: $1.49 and 99 cents for chicken noodle, plant-based. I'm not sure plant-based, but I might give it a try. Too, I am making me some homemade sourdough, so some cheese, grilled cheese sandwich with some tomato-based scoop, sounds good, and some chicken noodle soup. I like the rice one, so that looks good. Lazy days when I don't want to cook. Halloween, so you got the aisle of candy. And a Monster, because what you need more than sugar rush is a caffeine rush to go with it. I'll put those in the microwave, making chips out of them, and then with some of the cottage cheese, make a dip out of it, or use them as a late night snack if you're So I saved about 75 cents there, or 80 cents. Nothing ready to eat. This is freaking expensive. Two of them. Got this one on Ibotta, 50 cents back, so these are like $2.50. There's almost nothing in there, 3.5 ounces. These ones are 8.5 ounces. You get more, and it's the same price. I don't know if it's just because of the stuff they use in them, but there must be almost like freaking nothing in them. And the wheat thins are actually on sale as well. The 50 cents packs and the reds. I might just do wheat instead, because you can get more for the same price. as much as I like to get the gluten-free or some of the other stuff is a little more healthier, sometimes you need to go with what's you could afford that's going to last longer. But it's not half bad, I guess. It's $6.99, but it's like 3 grams of protein every 3/4 of an ounce. This one is 17. This is 5 grams of protein for a fourth of a cup. So that's about 20 grams. So you want higher protein for bread dough. Slightly, it's not that much more price, but it has more protein, which is better for making breads. I'm gonna mix that with my white bread. Do part wheat, part white. Next time I'll get some more. Dehydrate some of these for me and my rabbit. I'll have to have my dad get the pumpkin because I went over my limit by one whole buck. So I had to dig into my beauty makeup so I can't get as beautiful next time. Oh well. I wanted that Reese's Pieces. I deserve it. Not really, but that's what I'm going to tell myself. Where did it park? Out here somewhere. Anywho. Alright, let's get home and do some editing, and I will do this is my haul type of thing. My God, somebody really knows how to freaking park a car. Have all this space, and they have to park over the freaking line. Jeez. Made it back home, and this is what I got for the haul. I already dug into my Reese's. I got some wheat flour. I'm going to mix that with my white flour. And I got this because the protein. There was another one that was a whole wheat as well, but it didn't have as high as a protein as this one, so I just decided to pay an extra 20 30 cents to get the higher protein. This is about 20 grams of protein per cup instead of like half of that. About 50, a little more than 50 grams in the other bag. So I do that. I got some Reese's because all the Halloween stuff is going on sale, and I usually keep this in my Heidi candy ones. And I have some chocolate eggs, some dark chocolate eggs that I guess are getting in the new stuff for Christmas, so they need to get rid of whatever they had left over. I got some tomato soup, tomato bisque soup, and some chicken and rice soup. They're 99 cents. I got some pineapple. I'm going to let this get a little bit more ripe, and then I'll cut it up and eat half of it, and the other half I'm going to dehydrate because dehydrated pineapple is really, really good. They had this for $1.50, and apparently they got some stuff from Sprouts, and so they went and just discounted it and stuff, so yeah, it was a win for us. Some pepperoni. I usually throw one of these in the freezer. Like I said, I usually go and put these in the microwave with some napkins because they will get grease over it and make pepperoni chips. And with my cottage cheese, makes a good snack. I got some Johnsonville bed bread, the cheese ones. These are, a lot of times I'll cut them up and put them in my soup or whatever like that, or I'll freeze them. Some days you just want something quick and easy, and those are quick and easy. Got a couple of lettuces for me and my rabbit. I'll probably make some lettuce wraps. Some tomatoes. Sorry, I was looking at that. It says sun-dried tomatoes. Tomato crackers and some bananas and onions. Also got some apples. I usually let some of the fruit go until it's like really, really ripe, and then I dehydrate them, and they have the best flavor. Whatever I don't actually eat myself. So yeah, these ones are already looking kind of sad. And it's kind of getting soft. So if I could freeze them up and dip them in chocolate, make a little snack, or dehydrate them. I have my container of dehydrated fruit is getting really sad. These makes a cute, really good snack, especially if you buy too many fruits and you don't have people to eat them like right away. So I usually dehydrate them, and well, that also I have a rabbit, and so I give her some of these. They're really so make sure your bananas, when you do dehydrate them, if you have dehydrator, make sure they're almost really sad and falling apart, because then they'll have the best flavors. If you dehydrate them when they're still kind of green, they're very bland. I love me dehydrated fruit. But that is my haul for today. So, like I said, I'm probably going to do this one, and then I'm going to film it twice because I have 2 intros. So I'm going to put this one on. This one is my day in the life. And I usually do grocery hauls as well for my budgeting channel. So I'm gonna load this one onto my other one, so I'll have 2 videos. Get 2 videos out of this. I also got some makeup. We were at Ultra. Still in the car, I need to grab it. But I'll give that one a try and see how that one works. So, thank you for coming and joining me to this week. If you want to see some more stuff, if you're getting started your own 30-day challenge, or you're just starting your own YouTube channel, congratulations, welcome to the family. And if you're not sure where you need to go and you need to learn how to do this stuff, like I do recommend the 30-day challenge. It is a lot of work, but you can see right away what areas you need to work on and what areas you might be interested in going into, like what type of niche you are doing, time related, if you're being able to do that type of stuff, if you're going to be doing more in depth or like day in the life type of things, family vlogging or vacation vlogging or challenge vlog type of stuff, how-to videos and stuff, this type of thing. If you're really interested in it, try to do one of them, the different types of styles that you're interested in, like once a week or a couple times a week, and then try different ways to make it easier for you to do. So that's one of the reasons I decided to do a 30-day challenge, and I knew a couple other people out there who were doing it, and it seemed like a good way to get those 50 or 60 or 100 videos out that nobody ever watches. Get them done the first month, and you learn a lot in the process. So thank you again. Come check out some of my other videos. I will see you next time on day 22. Today's 21, I think. So, love you all. Bye.